Got a community that's turned into the free place where everybody expects you to keep giving away things for free? Well, over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to be sharing with you my simple funnel system for how to take people from free to paid. Listen, you want a community that is going to serve you financially as well as personally. And so I am sharing with you how exactly to do this step by step. My name is Kat Dunn, and I am a real instructional designer. For almost 20 years, I have been building courses for some of the most recognizable brands in the world, including Walmart, Verizon Wireless, Ocean Spray, the United Way, ADP, and so many others. And I want to share with you their secrets on how to actually monetize a community and build a brand that you can be proud of that serves your community while serving yourself. So go ahead, grab your pen and paper, and let's go ahead and get started. So, you're probably already offering lead magnets to your community. That's great. You're podcasting or live streaming, you're dropping expert trainings and giving them all kinds of goodies, right? But here's the mistake that a lot of business owners make. They stay there, they stay in the free zone instead of offering your community something for pay, something that they actually want. So you want to take the information that they've given you from the lead magnets in terms of what they're actually wanting and the problem that they want you to solve, and you are actually going to offer it to them in a low ticket offer, right? That is your stair step offer to your high ticket course. So the simple funnel system is 3 steps. One is offer a lead magnet. You're probably already doing that by putting out loads and tons of content. But now you're going to go take it a step further, go to the next step in my simple funnel system, and you're going to offer them something that is low ticket, a stair step offer that gives them a win and allows them to get to know you, trust you, and like you so that they can then move on and get even deeper transformation in your high ticket course. So don't be afraid to offer something for pay. All right? Not always something for free because then they'll never get what they're needing. And that is deep transformation from you. So, this is Kat Dunn, and I hope that this has helped you to move your needle forward and get on course to a community that serves you in every way. Until next time, stay on course.